Creating Gantt chart in Monday.com. In today's video, you are going to learn how to create a Gantt chart in Monday.com. So let's get started. Watch the video till the end. First, open your Monday.com workspace and go to the board where you have already tasks. Click on the Add View option at the top of the board and then select Gantt from the available view types. If it's your first time, click on Explore More Views and select Gantt from the application to install it. Once added, your board will display in Gantt format. Make sure your board includes both a date column and a dependency column, since Gantt charts use these to show task timelines and connections. You can drag bars to adjust task dates and organize your project visually. And that's all. That's how you will be able to create a Gantt chart in Monday.com. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful content like this.